According to GSMA, by 2026, 70 million commercial drones will be deployed worldwide. A similar report from IMARC predicts that the number of industrial robots will reach 37 million in the same year. These numbers are creating a major complexity for the end users, which is the fragmentation of robotics due to multiple operating systems in the market. But what happens when two different robots supported with two different protocols have to share the same space? Furthermore, what if two different robots need to accomplish a common task? They simply can't, as they don't speak the same language. At Unmanned Life, we're solving this issue with our system of system approach, which allows the deployment, control, and orchestration of autonomous robotics from one central intelligent platform. Our software platform is interoperable and leverages the power of new technology such as 5G, AI, edge computing to serve autonomous robotic solutions to multiple industries. By creating homogeneous fleets of autonomous robots, we're able to combine ground vehicles, drones with various integrated systems to unlock scalability. The core functionalities of our platform lay on the device and swarm management, on the gathering, fusion, and distribution of data, the command and control of the mission, and on the intelligence given to the robot through our platform. A partnership with one of the leading telco companies in the world comes with multiple benefits. Telefonica is not only providing the most suitable network to deploy our solution in the most reliable manner, but also give us access to a large market to serve thousands of their enterprise clients. On top of that, Telefonica offers other services that integrated with our technology augment the value of the overall solution for their customers. Although our technology is interoperable, together with Telefonica, we've proven the importance of having in place the low latency 5G can provide for critical operations where multiple autonomous robots must be controlled from one command platform, intelligent enough to take decisions based on the data analysis in real time. You can find more details about our technology at our website or following us on LinkedIn or Twitter. For the German audience, we're listed at Telefonica's IoT Marketplace under the Industry 4.0 session.